The red and blue oceans of modern-day business are two very distinct models with differing but equally important impacts on the world around them. Farming is no exception, with sustainable methods providing the key to success for businesses themselves and their respective farming systems. Suppose one side has an environmentally sound approach but lacks economic sustainability. In that case, there will never be any real progress made on that end goal until they can figure out how to make money off what's coming into production or harvest after harvest go wasted because nobody wants it anymore. Imagine a world where you never have to worry about your business falling off the map. With our 6-principle model, the F2F Circular Economy Program, we ensure that customer demand is constantly being met and increasing as long as there's population growth. This is the initiative and innovation developed by F2F in contributing towards the world urban farming industry. The new commitment from the F2F team is not just about providing consumers with clean and healthy foods, but ones that have an effective and sustainable footprint. They've invested in a manufacturing plant where all produce comes from VitaFarm for EcoCell's functional skincare and healthcare products. This is why we can ensure top-quality raw material for all of your needs. Why not get a complete solution by just joining F2F? You'll be able to explore the new world of urban farming, start developing your business, and achieve financially independent for time. With F2F, together we are seeding for a better tomorrow.